At the Diamond League meeting in Shanghai back in 2014, an utterly bizarre race was to unfold. Steeplechaser Emma Coburn had seen her previous season spoiled through injury. So when she made her comeback to the track for this race, no one, including her rivals, knew what to expect from the American. It was rumoured that her competitors thought she was the pacemaker. Boy, were they in for a surprise.
They have asked for a very fast pace at 3:02 for the first 1,000, but I have to say to you that Chemos actually asked for more. She wanted it much quicker than that.
It's a nasty trick to play on the rest of the field. If you're not going to go with a quick pace, but you request it, don't request it in the first place. There's Chemos. Coburn has gone with it. Let's hope she can build up a substantial lead here before the pacemaker drops out. She's a good athlete, Coburn.
But the lead is what, 50 or 60 metres now? It's got to be 40, 50 metres at least. And so only Emma Coburn has gone with it. Really going to have to motor if they're going to catch her. 3 laps to go in this, and it's just unbelievable, Tim, that they've allowed this to happen.
Well, Emma Coburn is 60 metres up. There is the pack. It's almost like the cameraman's forgotten the leader. There she is, down the back straight, Emma Coburn. Coming up towards 2,000 metres. I'm sure she'll get swallowed up. I hope she doesn't, because
really, this would be quite a sensational result for this girl. It's no good to see, because the Africans have really not taken her seriously, and my goodness me, they must have thought, well, we can pull her back any time, but not so, I'm afraid.
I don't know if they thought she was a pacemaker or what was going through their minds, but she is going to win this by 30, 35, 40 metres, Emma Coburn, striding for the line, Stu.
Yeah, and a brilliant time too for her. Brilliant run, well done to her. And a personal best, of course. And look what she did. She destroyed what one would consider on paper to be the very best. Look at Chemos just coming across the line.
At the World Championships in London last summer, Coburn won gold with a new American record, 9 minutes and 2 seconds, 17 seconds faster than her run here. However, the solo performance in Shanghai was another big breakthrough on the international stage, and most definitely a great Diamond League moment.